Alright guys, this is the day I'm picking the winner for £10 giveaway, which is PayPal giveaway number 5. Before I pick a winner, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and join my email list on my website. Go to my website, register for email list, and so you will get notified when I release new YouTube video or any article, make money, save money online, something like that guys. And also if you are new, join my Facebook group so you can ask me any question on there, or you can get notified when I release new content guys. So I'm going to pick the winner. All you have to do is go to giveaway here. This is PayPal number giveaway number 5. You can see I'm going to press this one called ready to award. It will automatically pick a winner for me guys. And alright, this is the person is the lucky winner for £10 PayPal money. Don't worry guys, I will do another PayPal giveaway number 6 in very soon, so you have a chance to win £10 PayPal money. All you have to do is subscribe, like, share my YouTube videos. Also press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release new video guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video guys.